Hi, I'm Nick, Engineering Manager here at Kooima Ag. One part of my job is to ensure the quality of our parts. For parts that rotate, like knife drums and accelerators, one major part of quality is to ensure they are balanced well before they leave here so they don't vibrate and so they perform well for you, the customer. Every rotor and accelerator that we produce is loaded into this balancing machine and balanced to make sure that it doesn't vibrate. We add weights to each end to make sure that it is balanced all the way across its width. This balancing machine works similar to the tire machine that you might have in your local co-op, except it handles a lot more weight and balances to a lot finer resolution. For example, this weldment weighs 600 pounds and it's balanced down to 20 grams. That's 0.007% of its total weight, so it's balanced to a very fine degree. Each rotor is numbered, so we keep balance records on every weldment that we produce. There's a number stamped into the end, so we keep records on every weldment that we balance in case there's an issue later in the field. We know how important it is for you to stay in the field. That's why we work hard on our quality of our parts so they work well for you the first time to keep you running.